Public servants make decisions every day that impact quality of life for entire communities for generations to come. And we're given like really broken, out-of-date tools. And then when you're making gaming apps, you have the latest toys.
Let your mind wander today, take that gentle nudge and think about what could be. And help get out of your comfort zones, because you heard about data, you heard about availability of data, fusing this together. Now more than ever before, we can make sense of data. And we can make actions out of data.
Hesitation to adopt because we don't understand how some of the innovation works is absolutely a barrier. We have a lot of great experts that do know how to solve the problems, but they want to keep solving them the way they always have. And we don't have the budget for that anymore, and we don't have the time for that anymore, so sometimes we're getting in our own way.
Where if you had enough data and enough compute, you would be able to map how communities behave and simulate how policy decisions would impact different aspects and features of the community, and stop planning in silos. Bring all the different departments together, bring the county in and say, we all need one map of when I do this, how does it impact everyone else? And that's where they realize that's not possible on a human scale. That's where AI comes in. So the AI is not replacing them, it's actually giving them the ability to coordinate their work with each other in a way that wasn't possible.
AI just amplifies the science of the engineering. And if you have bad engineering, it'll amplify that. And if you have bad science, it'll amplify that. But we have amazing engineers and scientists in BC and in Canada. And that's what we want to amplify. We want to harness that expertise, join it with better tools, and provide better solutions at the price that we can afford to pay as a community and as a society.
If we do this, what will happen to housing prices, access to jobs for low-income workers, etc.? And what it's not replacing the public servants. It's giving them a tool to literally play with real data, SimCity essentially. The oftentimes overlooked part is the expertise. So you don't program AI, you teach it. It's almost like an entity that you give it data, it gets things wrong, and if you have good teachers, it gets better. A lot of these like world-leading experts at WSP are teaching Urban Logic's AI on how to better understand the environment, why the AI gets it wrong. And so it's got the best tutors on the planet with the richest data. The thing that excites us is there is no organization on the planet that is better positioned to build AI that understands our world than WSP.
We shouldn't be afraid of changing our tools. 60 years ago, we used to have a whole bunch of geotechnical engineers hand drawing failures for slope stability. Then we got a new tool where we could do hundreds or thousands of slope failure traces. That didn't mean we suddenly had less geotechnical engineers. It just meant that they had better tools to be able to assess the problem and do their job. I think of AI and innovation like that. It's a better tool, but in the wrong hands, it's going to be a useless tool. So we still need those experts.